Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is a great day because it's a new bike day. So let's check out what we have. So as you know, I love BMX racing, and I've had many BMX bikes featured in the channel. And my last BMX bike, I loaned it out to a good friend of mine, Emilio Fala, and he raced it for a little bit before he got his new carbon bike. But he did also give us his old frames, and I fixed it all up. It was a project I've been working on for quite some time now, and I finally built it. His bike looks amazing. It's beautiful. So let's check it out. So this is the bike. This is the frame. And the last rider to use it was Gus Vicuña from Ecuador. And as you see, it was just raw aluminum. It's a GW. And that's how we got it. Just the frame. And we did a lot of work to it. So let's check it out. All right, here it is. This is our new race machine. It's a GW, and it is beautiful. And I have a lot of people to thank for this bike. The way it came out, exactly the way I want it. So, yeah, this is our new race machine, and we're going to be hitting the track on this real soon. So I hope you like this. I love this. I like this bike a lot. I love the way the gold and the black, how it just a good contrast. And also, I got it powder coated. And I don't know if you can catch it on the camera, but it has real fine gold little flakes in it. In the sun you can see it. But yeah, this bike turned out really, really nice. All right, so let's give it a quick once over and we'll check out what we have on it. For the cranks, they're DXRs, Shimano DXR, Shimano pedals, clips, Renin chain ring with a shadow half link chain in gold, and we have box brakes, box carbon seat with a box seat post clamp, and then box bars, X5 carbon forks, a Pro Max stem, and our wheels the hoops are box as well. Profile Elite racing hubs, front and in the back as well. So what else? Yeah, the ODI Vans grips. Yeah, this bike really is a beauty. All right, there's so many people I have to thank for this build. First off, I'd like to thank Emilio Fala for the beautiful frame. I'd like to thank Chris Tappy and Jeremy Rommel for putting this bike together, and Extreme Powder Coating for the powder coat, Evoke Industries for the custom graphic on it, My boy Super Mario from Twisted Metal for the cranks, and Barry Nobles for the wheels. Yeah, I mean, this bike is really nice. If you like BMX racing, you can really appreciate this bike. So that's going to be it for this episode of the vlog. So make sure if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with your friends. Till next time, peace.